To have spelling and grammar check using the Chat Assist feature in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open a messaging or chat app. As the example, we will use WhatsApp. To do so, open WhatsApp and then tap the contact you like to chat with. Tap the text field to show up your Samsung keyboard. Now type something. Next, tap the three stars icon at the top of the keyboard to access the Chat Assist feature. And then select spelling and grammar. Here you can see that your phone will use the AI to generate text with a right spelling and grammar based on what you are typing. You can tap copy to copy the text to your clipboard, or tap insert to replace the text you are typing with the provided text. With this AI-based feature, now you can easily check whether you have typed with the right spelling and grammar or not. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.